And what's up mga katitos and katitas, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. And we bring you our second episode of Yu-Gi-Oh! Power of Chaos, Joey the Passion. Old school Yu-Gi-Oh! Muna tayo mga kaibigan, featuring our burn deck. Yan na nga. So Cannon Soldier combo with Scapegoat, tas meron tayo Toll and Chain Energy, tas mga trap cards na pang burn kagaya ng Cylinder, Ring at saka Ceasefire. Without further ado, tara, laro tayo.
Come and bring it. I'll take you on anytime, any place.
So I wonder kung anong deck ang gagamitin nito ni Joey ngayon. Ba? Uy, bato pick. First tayo. Ba? Thank you, Joey. Ayaw niya ng first. So dito set tayo. Tapos Toll.
Yeah.
Tapos plan B. Yan. So attack siya sa Blast Spear. Makakapag-burn tayo. Sana malaking monster yung summon niya. Uy, pwede.
I'll just go along and set this card
Kaso
here.
hindi
Let me
umatake,
give you a
no?
little hint. You better be careful, because this card's a trap.
Sayang. Hindi umatak.
I end my turn.
Draw. Yun. So ito set tayo ng Sangan. Sangano. Zumbira. Pinatay si Sangan. So dito, ang kailangan ko ay morphing jar. Pwede morphing jar, no? Para bunot-bunot.
I end my turn.
May Cannon Soldier na tayo. Parang walang balak umatak itong Goblin Attack Force. Nako. Nimble mo Mongi. Ata kaya si Nimble mo Mongi. So ito, ano tayo, Germ. Yan, Germ. Mali, dapat pala no, Mystic Tomato. Bagay, okay lang.
I end my turn.
Uy, yan, swerte. Pot of Greed. Greedy pot. It really pot. At pwede tayong mag set ng Germ. Swerte. Ganda ng draw.
Alright! With this, victory's in the bag. I offer my monster as a tribute.
Pinned Mega Cyber. So dito, tatawag tayo.
What? Can't be.
Dalawang
What?
Germ.
Can't be.
Tapos attack yung Pinned Mega Cyber ulit, ano? Ayos lang. Down to 5k na siya. Lang yan, ayaw talaga matak ng Goblin Attack Force. Uy, Toll ulit oh. Sarap siso yan. Ano ba pwede kong gawin dito? Ceasefire.
Uh-oh. This looks bad. Whoa! Man, that was close. Too close.
So, Cannon Soldier na natin to. Itong dalawa.
close. Too close.
Kasi may swords naman tayo eh.
Whoa! Man, that was close. Too close.
Tapos, source of revealing light. Di na tayo atak. Baka mamaya madali pa tayo ng mirror force eh.
Yeah. What? Can't be. What? Can't be. What? Can't be. What? Can't be. I activate my spell card.
Uy, pot of greed.
Yeah! This is the card I've been waiting for. I offer 2 of my monsters on the field as a tribute.
Ba? Red eyes? Ay, hindi. Yun lang. Sana sumablay. Sablay, sir.
I'll just go along and set this card here. Let me give you a little hint. You better be careful, because this card's a trap.
Ba? Yari na siya.
I end my turn.
Duro. Yun. Sunog na siya ngayon.
Whoa! Man, that was close. Too close. Whoa! Man, that was close. Too close.
Isa na lang. Boom. Kaboom. Yo. Patay si Joey, mga kaibigan. We got the first round. So, yun. Proceed tayo sa round 2. Uy, first ulit tayo. Swerte naman. Opening hand natin, ganun na naman. Buyong arm. Ang laki din pala ng defense nitong blast
I
spear, no?
activate my spell card.
Uy, sana all may pot. Kung hindi naman na-attack yan.
I'll just go along and set this card here.
Parang ganun lang din yung nangyari.
You better be careful, because this card's a trap. I end my turn.
Uy, tol. O, di ba? Parang ganun lang din. Parang parehas lang ng ano eh. Parehas lang ng mangyayari yung first and second duel. Palukuhan to ah. Uy, nimble momongi na naman.
I end my turn.
Oh, di ba? Yung mga cards na nakukuha natin, pareho lang. Nimble momongi.
Yeah! This is the card I've been waiting for. I offer 2 of my monsters on the field as a tribute.
Barrel? Uy, barrel nga. Sablay mo. Uy, ako hindi sablay. Patay, blast spear. Boom. Siyempre, kukunin natin si ano, kamatis.
What? Can't be. I end my turn.
Paano ko ngayon tatalunin to? Itong si ano.
Yeah.
Gamitin ko na to.
What? Can't be. What? Can't be. What? Can't be. What? Can't be.
Tapos yan. So, ang gagawin niya, sisirahin niya si kamatis. Pero uy, Swerte ngayon ah. Dapat pala in-activate ko na lang si Chain Energy. No? Inisip ko kasi mababawasan din ako eh. Kaya hindi ko muna ginawa.
I end my turn.
Yun, no, di ba? Walang saysay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sablay mo. Sablay mo. Yung sablay. Buti naman.
I'll just go along and set this card here. Let me give you a little hint. You better be careful, because this card's a trap. I end my turn.
Cylinder. Nice. Tapos flip na natin to.
What? Can't be.
Siyempre kukuha tayo ng scapegoat. Tapos end phase lang. So wala pang pwedeng umatak. Didestroyin si Magician of Fate nitong Barrel Dragon. Uy, patay.
I end my turn.
Parang mali ginawa ko. Sablay mo. Yung sablay.
I end my turn.
Sumakto lang, no? Sumakto lang talaga.
What? Can't be.
Swords ulit. Sablay mo. Nako.
Flip summon.
Uy,
The
thank you.
effect's gonna activate at the same time.
Babalik si Fate. Sabay attack.
No way.
Siyempre cylinder na yan. 2.6 yan eh. Boom, kaboom.
I better think of something fast. I'm running out of options.
Oh, di ba? Uy, nagbawas pa. Naku, mamonggi pa.
I end my turn.
Nimble Momongi. So technically wala nang makaka-atake sa lahat ng monsters niya. Kasi kailangan magbayad ng 500 eh, 400 na lang siya. O, di ba?
I end my turn.
Uy, yun. Hindi na rin siya makapaglapag ng cards. Kasi kailangan niya magbayad ng 500. So, technically, wala na siyang gagawin, ano?
I end my turn.
Yun, ring. Naisa natin siya doon, mga kaibigan.
Hey, a trap? What? Can't be.
Yun.
Yeah!
Boom ka boom yo. We got round 2. So yun na nga, best of 3 panalo na tayo. Alright. Ano kaya ang cards na makukuha natin? Cretin, Nobleman at saka Deep Sea Warrior. Wow, pwede, pwede.
Hey, hey! Give me one more match. I know I can beat you this time.
And that's it for today's episode mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat and see you next episode ng ating Yu-Gi-Oh! Power Chaos. Joy the Passion. Babush!